Hey there, just wanted to give you an update, or the channel an update, on where things are, because in the last video I did anticipate having the tutorial ready to go by the end of the week, and that did not happen because of extenuating circumstances, aka life. Oh, I chuckle, but I'm not in a jolly mood. Um, so I had some things take me off track that were outside family responsibilities. But then on top of that, my depression came raging back, and it reminded me of a few things. First, it reminded me of perspective. Um, Even though I've not been well for quite some time, I noticed a difference for sure. Uh, Having depression come back the way it did, it brought me back to a place when I felt even more awful than I feel now. So, that being said, it's really hard and challenging to, um, you know, create and produce when something like this shows up like a landmine in your life. Um, Particularly when you have complete clarity and awareness around it and really don't want it around, and at the same time have no say, really. I mean, my brain is doing its thing. Is not a willpower conversation. I've been rocking these oars for over 40 years, so believe me, I don't want to feel like this. I don't want to feel like a slacker, but those are the stories I tell myself. So, you know, there's work to be done, I think, for everybody. Funny. Yeah, I'm chuckling because for me, there is a little bit of humor there. Anyway, big picture, I am working on the tutorial today. I spent time writing outlines and wrote the draft script for what I'm going to present in the next video. So, this totally unscripted, raw, whatever. It just is what it is. Um, just like in life, you gotta work with what you got, where you are at that moment. So, that being said, be well, and I look forward to the next transmission.